Good morning, everyone. A few days back, the world celebrated Earth Day, and we at Kingston High decided to do so too. And we thought to ourselves, what can we do to help to make the world we live in just a better place? That's when we came up with the project called Parisara. The name means Fairies of the Earth. We at Parisara have made an e-brochure that deals with environmental concerns and explain the three major environmental problems, that is climate change, deforestation and pollution. Our team has also set up a website project Parisara that deals with the mentioned topics just a little more deeper. We are organizing a few competitions, namely Art Frenzy, an environmental poster making competition, creative video competition, and lastly an essay writing competition. We at Parisara are eager to know your thoughts and initiatives. That's why we have also set up a feedback form for you to fill. Our project is small scale, but we have a big vision to help change our world, which is impossible without your help. Let's make the world a better place. Thank you.
So, as Rita explained, you now know how Project Parisara was formed. Now, one important question. Why exactly are we doing this? Aren't there already Greta Thunberg, WHO, IPCC and other big environmental organizations? What even is the need to do something like this? Why are a bunch of high schoolers so keen on doing something like Project Parisara? The pleasure is mine. So, I'm not sure if you remember, but during the days when there was no virus, there used to be raids in hotels and shops for plastic. There were huge fines for pollution like smoke and garbage. Ever since the virus hit, I don't think anyone has even thought about what happened to plastic fines and other kinds of things. PPE kits, masks, sanitizer bottles, etc. All of these contain plastic and other biohazard materials. In this big rush for the coronavirus, we have all seemed to have forgotten about this imminent danger to our Mother Earth. So we, the students of grade 9 and 10, decided to bring the greatest minds together to make something that will change society. Project Parisara is aimed at teaching people how they can contribute towards this global movement of environmental change by starting at home. Not on a big platform or at a news channel, but home. Because home is where it all begins. Thank you.
We, the students of grade 9 and 10, came up with this name, Parisara, which means helping the environment like little fairies. Even during this pandemic, we were able to collaborate through Zoom meetings with our team members in sharing ideas to move this project ahead. We gathered the required information from various sources. The frequent, regular interaction and brainstorming helped us to review and condense the needed material for the brochure. Mr. David, our principal, was very supportive towards us for fulfillment and providing us with ideas and guidance which encouraged us to incorporate within our project. The collected information were aligned and presented using graphic designing tools, which helped us to come up with a final brochure.
Good morning, everyone. I'm not going to be taking much of your time, but I'm just here to briefly explain about our website, Project Parisara. Now, as my friends would have told you, we are dealing with the three most important topics about relating to environmental decay, namely pollution, climate change, and deforestation. Now, these topics have been dealt with briefly in our e-brochure, but nevertheless we're going to be dealing with them on our website as well, just a little more in detail, so that we get to know the amount of damage we've done to Earth and what we can do now and what the repercussions will be. Now, there are interactive features on the website. For example, you can volunteer to add in whatever you feel like should be on our website. For example, blogs, posts, comments, stories, anything like that. Whatever you find or whatever you would like to share to the world, you can add it in. Please feel free. Secondly, we have a feedback form for the users to rate their experience, how they felt the website was, and what they think should be added onto the website. So that is there for you all to fill in. Now, there's another interactive feature, a game. A nice and short but meaningful crossword game. It's interesting, and once you're done with crossword, add up all the words together in ascending order to get the theme of our project. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is, so please feel free to check it. And we are going to be hosting competitions, namely poster making competition, a creative video making competition, and an essay writing competition. Now, all these three competitions have one main topic: environmental protection. All you gotta do is make a video or a poster or write an essay about how to protect Earth, or what we have done so far, or what the damages from human beings are, or what the repercussions will be, or what initiatives you can take, anything. And the lucky winners of the poster making competition will receive a cash prize, a coupon prize, and the other competitions, the winner's work will be featured on our website. So that's about it. So feel free to check out our website. This is the link for it. And yeah, thank you.
Good morning to everyone present. We have been dealing with this pandemic for almost a year and a half now. And this has shown us how disastrous the consequences of the loss of ecosystem can be. And that is why we need to restore. Reimagine, recreate and restore. This is the theme for the Environment Day 2021. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees. We can keep our environment clean. We can change our routine and keep the rivers and coasts clean. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. Let's get active and not anxious. Let's be bold and not timid. It is not yours, nor mine, it is ours. So let us protect our Mother Earth who has nourished us. And remember, recreate, reimagine and restore. Thank you.
We are a team of 6 students, and it may seem impossible to even make the slightest impact. But we know that every great accomplishment is not achieved without making the first step. Therefore, we, having the faith that one day our planet will shine in its pure beauty, have laid the foundation of our mission to save the earth by making this brochure. We are sure that our first step will encourage each and every one of you to take your first step in order to prevent our earth from fading away. Therefore, there is hope that together we can achieve the ultimate goal of the mission that we have just started.